Hello and welcome back on my channel, Silver Coin Stacker. And on today's video we're gonna be unboxing the giveaway which I win from stackerssocial Discord group. It's already the second giveaway which I win. Absolutely happy. Cannot be more happy than that, put it that way. It's definitely worth it to go check it out, the Discord group. Link will be on the description. And we just go for it. We're gonna see what it's inside. The giveaway comes from Liquid Metals, link on the description as well. Go check him out. The guy is a legend. He hand poured lots of different designs and shapes. He can basically probably can do it whatever you ask him to do it. Yeah, it's very top guy. So let me have a look what we got. You are a legend, mate. That's what we was talking about. That's what I was after. Let me open it so you can see it. That's the copper piece which I was really into it. Of course, the sticker, and the copper bar comes with certificate of the authenticity. Really nice. Let me take it out so you can see it. Liquid Metal UK, pure copper, 59 grams. Definitely nice. You can feel it on the hand. The design, it's sick. Love it. Course like a captain, play like a pirate. It's definitely gonna end up on my display. So that was the first one, but it's still more. Let me open it. I believe them bad boys sticker as well. I believe them ones are the silver ones, the 1 gram bars. Like always, certificate. Let me take them out, because they're not that big, so you can looks cool, especially then if you think it's just a 1 gram, so it's tiny, but it comes with lots of details. And the second one, great job. Honestly, it looks cool. Definitely like it. I would like to thank you, the whole community of the stackerssocial. Lovely group. Really enjoy to be part of that. Massive thank you, of course, for the Liquid Metals for the prize, and I was able to win it. I got 2 stickers, so if I'm gonna do the mail call with someone, I can send 1 because I got already 2. So that's, we're gonna put it on the site. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you enjoy like I enjoy my prices. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.